Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change an account name in Google Authenticator. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Google Authenticator account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll see a list of all the registered Authenticator apps linked to your account. This is where all your two-factor authentication codes are stored, and each account is identified by its name, making it easy to find the right code when you need it. Now, to change the account name, locate the specific account you want to rename from the list. Once you've found it, here's where it gets interesting. Simply swipe right on that account. As you swipe, you'll notice a pen icon appear. This pen icon is your gateway to editing the account details, so it's an important visual cue to look out for. Continue swiping right past the pen icon and you'll be directed to the account info page. This is where you can manage the details of your selected account. On this page, you'll see a field labeled code name, which currently displays the existing name of your account. This field is what allows you to customize how each account appears in your Authenticator app, making it easier to identify multiple accounts at a glance. Go ahead and tap on the codename field, and you can now type in your new preferred name, whether you want to make it more descriptive, add an email address for clarity, or simply use a nickname that's easier for you to remember. This is your chance to personalize it. Take a moment to enter the new name that works best for you. Once you've entered your new account name, simply press the Save button. This will update the account name immediately, and you'll see the change reflected in your list of accounts. Your new name is now active, making it easier for you to navigate through your Authenticator codes whenever you need them. And that's it. You've successfully changed the account name in Google Authenticator, giving you better control and organization over your two-factor authentication accounts. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.